In this video, I'm going to talk about Section 1231 properties. So Section 1231 properties basically is business properties. They include Section 1245, Section 1250. Let's see. It's a business property. It's Section 1231. Here say Section 1231 property is any depreciable real property or personal property used in a trade or business and held more than 1 year. When you dispose of the business property, your taxable gain or loss is usually a Section 1231 gain or loss. Its treatment as ordinary or capital is determined under the rule for the Section 1231 transactions. So the special is about Section 1231 because it's have tax benefit on the gains and losses. So that's why it's being talked very often you doing the business properties, right? Let's see Section 1231 transactions. The following transactions result in a gain or loss subject to Section 1231 treatment. First is sales or exchange real property or depreciable or personal property. Is hold greater than 1 year. This is Section 1245 and Section 1250. We will talk about this in detail later. I will have examples in other videos so to talk about the detail on the Section 1245, 1250 on the taxes, on the gains and losses. So just also to understand is Section 1231 not just the property 1245 and 1250. They also have other properties like sales or exchange leasehold, then sales exchange cattle, horses, sales or exchange on harvest crops. So those are other property. They are included in the 1231 transaction as well. So for us, we only focus on the Section 1245 and the Section 50. So just keep in mind, Section 1231 property include the Section 1245 property and the Section 50 properties. They also include other properties. So don't just think they only have 1245 and 1250. So here, it's you can see it's when you talk about Section 1245 property and 1250, so it's a depreciable property because their depreciation recapture is treated differently. So here, what is Section 1245 property? They are tangible personal properties used in trade or business. You would say it's a depreciable tangible personal property used in trade or business. So you can see it's a tangible personal property. So intangible property like patents, copyrights, those things are not included in the Section 1245. Then Section 1250 property is real property. It's used in the trade business for the production of the income. That is real estate. That is Section 1231 assets. So I have a list here. Tell you what type is Section 1245 property, like auto, light duty trucks, computers. They are depreciated. Use lifetime is 5 years. Office furniture, fixtures, They are Section 1245 property. They depreciate useful life is 7 years. So then for the residential rental property is Section 1250 property. Their lifetime is 27.5 years. Then commercial rental property is Section 1250 property. Its useful life is 39 years. So that you have a picture what is 1235 properties, then what is 1245 and 1250 property.